Oh man, this doesn't always happen like this, but in the event that your grill does break, you want to replace it, you don't want to neglect it. If you need a grill for your vehicle, make sure you click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Your front grille is one of the first things people see when looking at your vehicle. Not only is it an eyesore when it's cracked or broken, but it also has two major functions. It provides protection for the AC condenser and the radiator, and also assists with airflow. Your grille is going to protect your car from things like rocks, ice, vehicles, and other debris. Over time, the plastic in the grille will get brittle and have a tendency to break a lot easier. So it's always good when you have a hole like this or even a crack in it to replace it as soon as possible. You don't want any more debris getting in there and potentially costing you more money because you have to replace a radiator or a condenser. And if the fins of the grille are folded over, you're going to have a lack of airflow, causing the AC system to work that much harder and potentially have your engine overheat. Just to prove that grills are not just an aesthetic, EV vehicles don't even have a grill because they don't have a radiator that need protection or airflow. Not all cars are created equal. Some have their grills attached to the front bumper, some will have it on a separate piece, and some even have it attached to the hood. Certain vehicles, you are going to need to remove the bumper cover to access the back side where the grille is secured. Don't be overwhelmed. Bumper covers come off fairly easily. There's normally a couple screws, some clips, and they pop right off. This one, there's a couple screws holding in the back side of the grille and then some clips that you just can't access from the front. That was a quick and easy repair. Now we have protection against the elements, better airflow, and it even looks great, brought up the value of the vehicle. If you need a grill for your vehicle, make sure you go to 1aauto.com, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Oh man, this doesn't always happen, but in the event that your grill, that's going in the outtake. Did it fall?